Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Fox Sports app. So all you have to do, you just click on settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click on apps. So you search for it here. You click on apps. You come to apps list and here you're looking for Fox Sports app, or just click on search. Then here at Fox Sports, it's going to show for you like this. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store here. So then here you search for Fox Sports. It's going to show for you like this. You will find the update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.